day. Multiple show winner, again at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1958 Studebaker Silver Hawk. Two-door coupe or posted coupe. As you can see, salmon in color. Kind of the ivory or ivory white coves. 289 underneath the hood, and that is paired up with a 3-speed. Manual transmission with overdrive, shifter on the column. Look at the front of this car, the chrome, the bright work. Front end that makes a statement. Also nicely equipped power steering, AC, professionally installed aftermarket, and it does blow cold. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, the underside, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Paint does show well on this car. Take a look down this passenger side, see how straight that is, those long body panels, riding on the white wall radials. Studebaker wheel covers, painted to match rims. Also two-tone interior, color keyed to match the exterior of this car. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior. Start it up, let you hear it run. Pop the hood, check out the engine bay. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And look at the rear of this car with those big fins. Great look from 58. The chrome, the bright work back here. You can see why this has been a past show winner. There's also a car cover that will go with it, a few miscellaneous parts. I think there was some brake hardware, also some gaskets, like the trunk gaskets. Those will be included in the purchases of this vehicle and in the trunk. Still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Look at the length down this driver's side, just as straight. Again, bright work. Yeah, fit and finish very nice on this one. All right, let's check out this color keyed interior. I do have pictures with the floor mats out and with the still pictures, so you can see it. Carpeting in the floors without floor mats on there, FYI. But no sign of really much for any wear, rips, tears, holes in the vinyl upholstery. Seat belts, front and rear. Check out the headliner. Also nice shape. Let's take a look at this dash. Now, I can tell you the wipers worked. Did not have the radio power up. Looks like it's got kind of a stock AM radio. Did not power up. There's your AC unit. Again, does blow cold. Freeze you right out of here. Dash looking good. Looks like we have some Stuart Warner gauges. I don't believe that those were stock with this. Ignition key on the left. See how easily it starts. It appeared all the gauges worked earlier for me. That amps, of course, has a cold start, so I don't have any water temperature. Oil pressure came up, and fuel does too. It just takes a tad. There it goes. Tack works, and vacuum. All right, I mentioned the wipers work. Give those one swipe for you. Get an idea. Make sure we're neutral. Overdrive lever or handle down here to the left. Again, 3-speed manual on the column, paired up with that 289. Nicely, that door closes. Slip around to the back with those cool chrome exhaust tips. No crazy exhaust, runs and sounds nice. Good sounding 289. Speaking of which, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood. Check out this engine bay. I bet it looks as good as the rest of the car.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, hood propped up. There's that 289. Again, power steering AC. Good sounding, smooth running, and nice and clean and tidy. This car was driven here been a local show car. Goes down the road nicely according to the previous owners. There's your AC compressor. It is 134, all seems covered with fitting. Some modern AC. Professionally installed. Good sounding, good running engine. There you go. Want one you're not going to see every day. 1958 Studebaker Silver Hawk Coral with kind of a white ivory coat. Color keyed interior. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.